In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer returned payment in QuickBooks Online. If a customer payment bounces or is returned by the bank, it's important to correct it properly in QuickBooks so your accounts receivable stays accurate and the customer's invoice shows as unpaid again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to record the bank deduction first and then how to unlink the original payment from the invoice. To begin, go to the New button and choose Expense. If the returned payment fee or deduction has already appeared in your bank feed, you can also locate it in Bank Transactions instead. The goal here is to record the money coming back out of your bank account because the original customer payment did not clear. In the Payee field, select the customer who issued the return payment. This is important because it connects the transaction to the correct customer record. Next, in the Payment Account field, choose the bank account where the deduction happened. Then for the category, select Accounts Receivable, often shown as A or this step matters because it puts the amount back into receivables, which tells QuickBooks that the customer still owes that money. Now enter the amount of the returned payment exactly as it was deducted by the bank. Double-check the details before saving, especially the customer name, bank account, and category, since these are what keep your books accurate. Once everything looks correct, select Save and Close. After that, the next step is to unlink the original payment from the invoice it was applied to. On the left-hand menu, click Sales and then select Invoices. Find the invoice connected to the returned payment and open it. From there, click on the payment that is attached to that invoice. This will open the original payment record. At this point, delete or void that payment depending on how you want to handle your records. Removing that payment breaks the connection between the bounced payment and the invoice, so the invoice becomes open again and shows that the customer still has a balance due. And that's it. By recording the bank deduction to accounts receivable and then removing the original payment from the invoice, you correctly reflect the returned payment in QuickBooks Online. This helps keep both your bank balance and your customer balances accurate. If you're working through older transactions, just take your time and verify each detail before saving changes so your reports stay clean and reliable.